Hello, and welcome to our lesson on IT in supply chain management. This segment will continue to cover integrating supply chain IT. Execution of a system that supports integration of SC includes DSS, decision support systems, and infrastructure. The system of ERP is usually part of the infrastructure and different in many aspects from the SC decision support systems. The table compares DSS and ERP on the basis of various implementation issues. It should be known what strategy a firm should use to determine what system to execute, check, install, and when. The goals of information technology suggest that a firm first must implement an enterprise resource planning system so that the data will be complete and easily accessible. Only then can the firm begin the analysis of its whole SC processing using many DSS tools. This can be the idea, but in reality, the data are required to accomplish efficiencies of the supply chain already existing, perhaps not in a single easy-to-access database. But it is worth the time it takes to assemble the database compared to the cost of waiting for the implementation of the enterprise resource planning system. These problems are in the table. The length of an enterprise resource planning execution compared to a typical decision support system is much longer. The ERP system's value to the firm covers the first two goals, a single point of contact and visibility, and while these can imply enhanced operations, decision support systems impact the ability to perform tactical and strategic planning. This means that decision support system projects have a much better return on investment, ROI. Lastly, installation of DSS is usually more straightforward and less expensive to execute, and it affects a smaller number of highly trained clients compared with those of an enterprise resource planning system with many users who need less extensive training. The type of decision support systems executed depends on the industry and the possible impact on the business. The table shows some examples from many industries. In the soft drinks industry, distribution is a primary cost element. Priorities differ from those of a computer producer, which has a complex manufacturing process with many different components, materials, or products, and whose distribution costs are only a fraction of item cost. On the other hand, in the latter situation, the producer can utilize expensive shipping solutions. This is the end of our lesson. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next lesson.